Okay, boys and girls, so this week we have been learning all about subtraction, and last week we talked about addition, and one important thing about learning these two things is being able to tell them apart. So today you will be solving and sorting subtraction and addition problems for your work after the lesson. So on the next slides, we're going to talk about the differences in addition and subtraction, and you will then complete the attachment from e-class on solving and sorting addition and subtraction problems. So first we're going to talk about subtraction because we learned about subtraction this week. Okay, so some of the words that have to do with subtraction are going to be included on this slide. So this right here, this little guy is a subtraction or a minus sign. And some of the words that have to do with subtraction are less, okay, we're taking away, minus, the difference in two numbers, and subtract, and then what we have left over. Okay, so if we have one number and some went away, it's what we have left. And that is subtraction. Okay, then we're going to talk about addition. This is an addition sign, and some of the words that have to do with addition are the sum of two numbers all together because we're joining the numbers. And then we have add and in all. Okay, so if we have two numbers, we're finding how much we have in all. And that is addition. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday.